Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of kids' Bluetooth headphones with the EarFun K2. Let's see what makes these headphones stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about the design. The EarFun K2 headphones come in a sleek, over-ear design that's perfect for kids. They're foldable, lightweight, and made with kids-friendly materials, ensuring a comfortable fit for those little ears. But comfort isn't the only thing these headphones offer. They also come with volume-limiting technology, keeping the sound at a safe level to protect your child's hearing. Plus, with Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, you can expect a stable connection within a range of up to 70 feet. Now, let's talk about sound quality. The EarFun K2 headphones feature 40mm drivers that deliver balanced stereo sound, perfect for listening to music, watching videos, or even online learning. And speaking of online learning, these headphones come with a built-in microphone, allowing your child to participate in virtual classes hands-free. Plus, with up to 40 hours of battery life, they'll last through those long study sessions without needing a recharge. But perhaps one of the best features of the EarFun K2 headphones is their durability. Made with wear-resistant materials, these headphones can withstand the wear and tear of everyday use, making them perfect for busy kids on the go. So, whether your child is studying at home, traveling with the family, or just jamming out to their favorite tunes, the EarFun K2 headphones are sure to keep them entertained and engaged. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy listening.